Hola a todos, bienvenido a mi canal de YouTube. We're making some YouTube videos where we're going to be teaching you some basic Spanish expressions. Right now we're traveling in South and Central America and we're learning Spanish, our kids and myself and my wife, and we wanted to integrate and absorb and connect with the local people. We're actually staying with a local family here. This is Christian and his daughter, and this is me and my daughter. So two dads, two daughters. So we're going to be learning some basic Spanish for you guys who are watching from around the world. If you're wanting to come to Central America, South America, these are the basic phrases that everyone should know. Do you know any, Rian, firstly to start?
Yes.
What?
Firstly is hola.
Hola, what does that mean?
Hello.
Okay, what else can you say?
Okay, this is how to say ciao. It's bye.
Okay, so the most important thing is hello and goodbye. What else do you know? How are you?
Okay. Un minuto, that means 1 moment, please.
It's good, Rian. Okay. So Christian is a teacher here. He's the owner of a Spanish school in Juan del Sur, Nicaragua. So he's going to be teaching us maybe 5 to 10 basic phrases that every tourist, every traveler should know if you're coming to Latin America or Spain and Europe, any Spanish-speaking country. So I think the most important one is hola, I think.
Well, that's the best because it's a greeting. It's a universal word
Yes.
that you can say wherever you are. And in the first country is Spanish.
Yes.
So it's a basic greeting.
Mm-hmm.
So in short, you can say yes because it's the most simple way and universal way to say hi for wherever you are in Spanish.
Okay, so hola and ciao is hello, goodbye. Now teach us, Christian, about good morning, good afternoon, good night. These are the basic expressions that's universal. Okay.
Yeah, the basic expression that's buenos dias, buenas noches, buenas tardes. It's a good morning, good afternoon, good night, adios. Say when you say bye.
Yes.
Or some countries say ciao.
Okay.
It's the same way like goodbye or adios. So, but some people like saying ciao. So it's one expression that means goodbye.
Okay.
In different countries.
So these are the most important. So once again, can you say it, Rian? Good morning.
Buenos dias.
And how do you say good afternoon?
Buenas tardes.
And how do you say good night?
Buenas noches.
Good, very good. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Okay. And then one of the most important things when you're meeting someone is obviously, introducing yourself. What's my name? Where am I from? So Fernanda, how do you say it? What's your name?
Teres Rosen.
How can she say what's your name in Spanish?
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Fernanda.
Fernanda.
How do you say it? How do you say the whole thing? If I want to say it, my name is Ricky, how can you say it?
Mi nombre es Ricky. Or you can ask, ¿cuál es tu nombre? And you reply, mi nombre es Ricky. Or you have other way, ¿cómo te llamas? That's two ways that we have in Spanish. ¿Cómo te llamas? Or ¿cuál es tu nombre?
And how can you answer? What's the 2 ways to answer that question?
Or mi nombre es, and you say your name, or me llamo.
Okay.
You say directly your name.
Okay, perfect.
The same when you say like your age, you say, ¿cuántos años tienes?
Okay.
Or you can say, ¿qué edad tienes? You reply saying, my age or mi edad es, you say the number, or yo tengo, you say the number.
I see. So it's basically like in English, you'd be saying, I am Ricky, or my name is Ricky. Yeah. So, mi amo Ricky, or mi nombre es Ricky. And then how would you say when you meet someone for the first time, nice to meet you?
Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. And then, of course, we should say, where are we from? That's one of the most important questions. Where are we from?
So, ¿de dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Or, ¿de dónde eres? ¿Cómo te llamas? That's a typical question that you ask when you meet someone. And especially when it's the first time you meet someone, it's a great idea using usted. That's the best way, using usted, because it sounds very polite and very nice, very educated.
Okay, so once again, if I want to say I'm from Canada or I am Canadian, what are the 2 ways to say this expression? I'm from Canada or I'm Canadian?
Same.
Yes.
or soy canadiense.
Okay.
Two ways.
So basically say I'm from the country or it's my nationality.
Yeah, it's the same,
Okay.
but different way, but same meaning.
Anything else you think would be important to know for a beginner? Because this is very foundational. You know, good morning, good afternoon, good night, hello, goodbye. My name is, I'm from. Anything else you would recommend to learn?
Phrases like always, almost always, never, hardly ever. In Spanish is siempre, casi siempre, nunca,
Okay.
casi nunca.
Yeah.
Phrases like that are very important to know. That is going to improve your way to express that to say different.
And of course, more important than your name is, where's the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño?
Yes, that's more important than your name. Where's the bathroom?
O necesito ir al baño.
Okay, necesito ir al baño. Okay.
I need to go to the bathroom.
The last thing we'll teach you is counting from 1 to 10. Before Rianne started traveling, she didn't know how to count anything from 1 to 10. Let's hear it. 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect, perfect. So that's 1 to 10.
It's numbers. It's the most important numbers that you know, basically.
Yeah.
So she's very smart. She's just 5 years old, but she's very, very smart, actually.
Yeah. So this is the foundation, I think. You know, if you can know these expressions, you'll be able to get by. You can maybe go to a restaurant. You can maybe go to a hotel. You can take a taxi. And then, of course, you can build up on that. And we'll make more videos to teach you guys a little bit more advanced Spanish. So, Christian, thank you for the beginner lesson. It was very useful.
Okay.
And how do we say thank you, everyone?
Gracias.
Gracias.
Of course, the most important is gracias and de nada, right? Okay, gracias a todos. See you next time. Hasta luego. Adios.
Hasta luego. Chao.